This is another just using Desmos as a calculator video. You can also do this on your TI-80 whatever, but we're going to use Desmos as calculator. The function g is defined by g of x equals 7x raised to the -1 power. What is the value of g of 13? So we're just replacing x with 13. G of 13 equals, instead of 7x to the -1, it's 7 times 13 to the -1. And all we do is put that into Desmos. 7 times 13 raised to the -1 power. And here's our answer, 0.53846, blah, 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 blah. You could just turn it into a fraction by pressing this. So 7/13, that's the answer. 7/13. Don't do this in your head, obviously. Just use your calculator or write it out. Desmos offers an awesome calculator. I think I'm rambling here, so let's just end the video, okay? I'll see you guys later.